Let's give them a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. They don't know what they're getting into. Yeah. Right here, shake hand. You know each other? Now shake it. Introduce yourself. All right. And say goodbye to your parents. Shake hi. Say hi to her. All right. Shake your hand. All right. Stand over here. Get closer to the stick. What's your name? Lona. Yeah. And you are? Kaylee. And you are? Austin, all right. Austin, stand between the girls, all right. Between the girls, okay. Now listen very carefully, all right. You guys get on your knees, all right. Hold the stick, 2 hands, all right. And lower your 2 hands. Yeah, hold the stick 2 hands. Listen, look at me very carefully, all right. You guys can hold the stick. You're gonna help me hold the sticks because I'm gonna open the coconut, right? So pay attention. This is very important, okay. So I'm gonna use the stick to. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hey, whoa, excuse me. Don't do that. Because now you're moving and the stick's gonna move and the coconut's gonna miss the stick and hit the guy in the middle. He's gonna die. Don't move. Listen very carefully. I'm serious. The guy that got hit by a coconut last night is still at the hospital. I don't think he's gonna make it. So please, that good-looking guy, I don't want him to go whoop. All right, now very carefully, all right? You understand? Close your eyes and put your head. Close your eyes. Put your head down. Put your head down and hold the stick. All right, perfect. Now listen, I get very excited. Put your head down. Just throwing the hair. Now listen very carefully. I get very excited when somebody sing a song. All right, would you guys sing a song for me? Old MacDonald had a farm. Can you guys say Old MacDonald? Close your eyes. Put your head down. Sing Old MacDonald had a farm. Ready? Sing it. Hold the stick. Hold it. Sing it. Sing the song. Sing the song. Put your head down. Sing it. Sing it. Sing the song. Sing it, sing it. Oh, yeah. Let's give it a round of applause. Kill the coconut. Yeah, that's right. Ladies and gentlemen, this is it. See the coconut right here, 2 eyes of the coconut, the mouth of the coconut right here. Yeah, that's right. Put the straw inside here. Drink the juice. If you don't finish the juice, you put it.
See what you got.
Show the camera.
If you want to drink the juice and eat the meat, ladies and gentlemen, 2 eyes of the coconut. The line right here is the softest part of the coconut. Put your thumb right over here with the mouth.